One thing I always like to do to upgrade the case of a computer is this rubberized hardware as opposed to the stock plastic feet that most cases will generally come with. I mean, if you look, there's not a lot of grip here. It's you know, a plastic foot, where in comparison to the rubberized upgraded version, this not only gives the computer a great amount of lift in comparison, so more air can enter from the bottom, but gives it incredible grip. So you can literally place this desktop computer on any surface and have a significantly improved grip as well as airflow. Crazy amount of grip. Good lift too.